In this video, we're going to take a look at how your customers can use Snap Finance to pay for their auto repairs in Tire Guru using 360 Payments CFP. If Snap is your primary lender, you'll see directly on the work order that they can apply for Snap. Otherwise, they'll see the option to apply for Snap when they're declined from the primary lender. To begin the process, click on Repair Now, Pay Later, and in the pop-up, click Apply. CFP will open in a new tab. Snap requires the customer to fill out all of the information, not the service advisor, so click Text this page and add in the customer's text number. Click Send Text and they'll receive an application. Once they open the link, they'll need to go through a quick verification process and then click through the disclosures before they can begin filling out their pre-qualification. The customer will need to confirm any pre-filled information and will need to add anything that's currently missing. Then they'll add income information and click Submit. The pre-qualification is decided real time, and once they see the congratulations message, they've been pre-qualified, and the next step is to add items back in Tire Guru. Once the work order has been reloaded, the service advisor will see that there's a pre-qualification and can click here to add items. Start by clicking Add Item and add any relevant product information. When done, click Save Items. If you do have multiple items, you can click Add Item multiple times for each one. Once done, add in the shipping information. Note that this can be the customer's information, or in the event that nothing is being shipped, it can be the shop's location as well. Once complete, hit Submit, and another text will be sent to the customer where they can add banking information as well as going through the signing process if approved. Note that in the meantime, a service advisor at Tire Guru can see the status on the work order anytime it's reloaded. There's nothing else they'll have to do, however, until the final step of the process. For the banking information, they'll simply add their routing number and account number and click Submit. Like with the pre-qualification, the application decision will be approved real time. Snap will follow up with a text to initiate the signing process. The first screen will be a summary page where they can see their fees, and once they click through, they can confirm their payment process. Once they continue, they'll be able to scroll to the bottom of the agreement and click to sign. Once your customer sees the Thank You for Signing page, the final step is to close out the transaction, which you do back in Tire Guru. You can see on the work order that the agreement's been completed and click Repair Now, Pay Later one more time, confirm the amount, and click Process. The posted financing can be seen on this page, and it can also be seen on the invoice screen. To see that, close here and click Print Finish. Scroll down until you see the entry for Snap. And if you select the entry and scroll down, you can click Refund to perform a refund. And that's how your customers can use Snap in Tire Guru using 360 Payments CFP.